Article 19, Freedom of Speech. It was introduced in 1949. Here, each and everybody who are the citizens of India have the right, have the freedom of speech and expression, and the press also. There are some absolute rights to express any kind of thoughts, any person's thought freely throughout the territory of India. In Article 19.2 says, enable the legislature to impose certain restrictions on free speech under following heads. There are some restrictions also when we are making a speech and expression and the press also. Certain rights have given under. There are some protections also for freedom of speech. Regarding to the freedom of speech, such kind of rights are imposed here in Article 19 1A. In Article 1, all citizens shall have the rights. Who are the citizens of India? Each and everybody has freedom of speech and expression and the press. In Article 19.1a says, freedom of speech and expression. Every person has freedom of speech and expression. In Article 19b says, to assemble peacefully and without arms, without considering any kinds of arms, you can assemble peacefully in anywhere in India. Article 19c says, to form associations or unions if there is any advantage to each and everybody. You can make associations or unions also. And in Article 19d, it says, to move freely throughout the territory of India. We have a certain right to each and everybody throughout the territory of India to move freely without hesitation. Such kind of rights have each and everybody who are the citizens of India. In Article 19e says, to reside and settle in any part of Indian territory. You can make residence wherever in India to livelihood. Such kind of right is also provided in Article 19.1e. Article 19.1g says, to practice any profession or to carry any occupation, trade or business. You can work wherever there is. You can make any kind of profession wherever there is in India and do any kind of business also. trade or business, whatever there is, throughout the territory of India. But there are some restrictions also. Such kind of restrictions also follow each and everybody in India. Such kind of restrictions are provided in Article 19